welcome back. It's December 31st, New Year's Eve. Out here again. Accepted a challenge from Brian. He called me up and said, hey, let's go fishing and make a bet to see who catches the biggest fish. So I can't decline the offer, because when people want to donate money, I cannot deny. So I accepted the challenge. We're out here today, San Pedro again, and we're gonna see who catches the biggest fish. So I asked Brian very specifically, define biggest, as in the longest fish, the widest fish, or the heaviest fish. And at first he said the longest, and I'm like, you're done, because I know where all the barracudas are. And he got real scared real quick, so then he changed the rule to the heaviest fish. Fine too. So today we're gonna see if we can catch us the heaviest fish. We'll catch up when there's action. All right, so there's an advisory today for high winds, high surf, rogue waves. We don't care, we're going fishing, but I just want to show you guys that what you're looking at is the Cabrillo break wall, and there's the Cabrillo pier. Okay, so the pier is in front of the break wall, and you'll see that the waves, well, maybe hopefully you can see it, but you'll see that when the waves crash into the brick wall, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like the swells are hitting the brick wall and it's going over the brick wall. See that? So let me see if I can get a better shot, because it was earlier, it was like splashing all the way up really high. Let's see. Yep, there's a little bit right there. And these brick walls, they're pretty high. And there, kind of see that one, see that going over. So yeah, the swells are hitting the brick wall, and there you kind of see it. Kind of looks like a waterfall, but again there. I don't see anybody out here fishing. I don't see like any vessels going outside the harbor. Inside the harbor it doesn't look too bad, but there, right there, that is, yeah, that was, hopefully you guys can see that on camera. Oh, there it is again. So, yep, there it is again. Yeah, I'm not going outside. Not today. Well, it started to rain. The weather forecast never predicted that it was gonna rain today. So don't ever trust the weather forecast. Here, let me show you guys, it's raining. This is hardcore fishing. Oh, fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Is that a fish? Oh, it's a fish. No! Oh, it's still on. Oh, bat ray. Hey, you know what? This is gonna win me 20 bucks from each of those guys. Hey, this is enough to win. On a Sabiki. You know what? I need to stringer this guy. Stringer this guy. They want heaviest fish. They got it. Oh, no. I'm probably gonna release this guy. As soon as I weigh him in. Can you believe that? Bat ray on a Sabiki rig? I'm telling you guys. That same Sabiki rig that I used last week to catch a ton of mackerels, I'm reusing it again. So every time I'm done using it, I wrap it up in pool noodle put it away. Next time I come out, I use it again. That's probably my 7th time using that Sabiki rig. It's getting a little bit rusted, but you know what? For $1.50, I got my money's worth out of it. So, Caivo, Long Beach, right? Jimmy Caivo bait and tackle from Long Beach. That's where I got it from, for $1.50. Heck, it's even cheaper than Temu. It's cheaper than Walmart. And the quality, I like it. I mean, I'm gonna win 40 bucks from these guys today. Can't beat that. So check out Jimmy Caivo Long Beach bait and tackle. I'll link it down below, but easy 40 bucks from these guys. Now you gotta remember, I wasn't the one that called them up and say, hey, let's come out here and compete and make a bet. Brian was the one that called me up and wanted this and started this. Because why? I took his brother's money last week, 150. So he's out for blood. He wants revenge. That's the way it goes sometimes, is you're going out for revenge and instead you get whacked too. Hold on, let me put you on speaker. I'm gonna get this on camera. Hold on. What time is this gonna end? What time is this gonna end? What time did you just tell me this competition was gonna end? What? 2 now? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. All right. Well, I'll give them till 2 p.m. Right now it's 9:46 a.m.
All right.
So I caught it around 9:40 a.m.
That's crazy.
Anyway, 2 p.m. We'll see you, and I'll see the 40. All right. Talk to you later, bro. Good luck. You're gonna need it. All right, guys. So outro is Brian gave it his best. I gotta commend for his efforts. I think he limited out on sheep heads. Hey, show the catch that you got.
I don't want to show the catch.
He's a little salty right now. He's a little bit angry.
Here.
But he got 1 sand bass and 2 sheep heads. Ty limited out on sheep heads too. He got 2 sheep heads. Unfortunately, the bet today was the biggest fish. So yeah, it's unfortunate for Ty and the professional angler over there.
Hey, show them the fish. Show them the fish.
But yeah, they didn't quite make it. And so Brian's already asking me if I accept Venmo, MasterCard, Visa. But I'm gonna release this guy. Brian already knows I don't need to weigh him because he weighs a ton. So I'm gonna release him. Actually, I'm gonna release him right now on camera, as promised. So this guy gets to live to see another day. All right, still alive, still kicking. Okay, still spitting. Gonna release him right now. Oh, let me see if I can grab the camera. For the release. And for the release. Adios, amigo. There he goes. All right, so the bet was $20 to the winner that catches the most heaviest fish. So I will be collecting from the one that challenged me to this challenge.
Ain't nobody challenged you. You challenged yourself.
And since Ty gave me a sandwich, he's getting a discount. He only has to pay me 15.
Hey, can I give you a couple sandwiches too?
Friendly discount. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll catch you guys next time. Happy New Year. It's New Year's Eve. And we'll see you out on the waters probably next weekend, maybe. If not, the week after. Happy New Year's. Thanks for watching. Adios. Easy money, like taking candy from a bunch of babies.
Here,
So-
I'm buying a mackerel. That's all I'm doing. I'm just buying a mackerel.
So Brian
See,
is
I
gonna
need it. I need a lot
gonna
of bait.
stay and hoop net. I'm gonna go and enjoy the rest of my New Year's Eve with the free money I just got.
That's what he says. He's gonna go fucking troll for halibut.
Well, I'm gonna troll around a little bit before I go home, but Brian, I took down Collins, I took down Brian. They got another oldest brother that might come look for me, but you know, I welcome him with open arms. So we'll move on to the next victim to collect. And he's right over there somewhere. It's not about the money. It's about the smack talk. You earn the rights to smack talk when you win.
When you catch a bat ray.
So I don't know, Brian is a little bit sore loser right now. You know, his butt's a little hurt. But I'm sure he'll get over it. You know, a little, what is that? A little ibuprofen and Advil should cure his little butt hurtness.
Keep at it, kid. Keep at it.
Oh my God. Alright, now I'm coming to collect from this guy. So Ty here is from Northern California, an avid angler. He said,
Oh no!
he said his biggest halibut was 40 plus inches.
Pounds.
Now that is definitely worthy of challenging the master.